Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix some keys not working on your laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if in your laptop keypad some of the keys are not working, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is just click on this search menu, then type here keyboard troubleshoot. You can see here find and fix keyboard problems. Click on this, then click on next. It will detect if there is any problem is there with your keyboard, then it will try to fix automatically. After completion of this, just close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing, then open the device manager, click on the search menu, then type here device manager. Click on the device manager. In this you can see here keyboard, double click and expand. After that you will find your keyboard driver here. Right click on that and click on update driver. You have to click on this browse my computer for the drivers. In this you can see let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select this option, select your keyboard driver, click on next, then click on close. After that it will ask for the restart, then click on yes to restart. After trying this still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just click on right click on that, then click on uninstall a device and click on uninstall. Then your keyboard driver will be removed and it will ask for restart. After restarting, again your keyboard drive will be installed automatically. After that, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After trying all these options still you are facing the issue, then you have to click on this start menu, then click on settings, click on Windows Update. If there is any pending update for your Windows, just click on resume update. After that it will take some time and you have to restart your PC and check. After trying all this option, hope your issue will be resolved. Still you are facing the issue, then the problem is with your keyboard hardware due to any dust or any pins behind your keyboard keys. Due to this you can face this type of issues, so you have to take near your computer hardware technician and try to fix these issues. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix some of the keys are not working on your laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.